It's jaw-dropping. Hey, hello mga ka-spoiled kong 18 dyan. Yes, we are truly blessed. We are truly spoiled by our Mahalima. Well, anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Tita Nika 18. Okay, so tonight, they have uploaded, they have dropped a content again. Oh my gosh, daily vlog talaga, daily happiness. How do you define happiness? SB19 content. Ganon. So, Damn the Making environment na naman ngayon. I actually don't know what to expect from this. Yung setup nila, kung paano nila, ay, oo, baka ano. Kasi diba, ang daming CGI sa Damn music video. So, maybe they're gonna be talking about how they made the CGI and also the places wherein they actually shot the music video. So, it's very interesting. So, yeah, mga crafts ko, let's dive into this and enjoy the craft of our Mahalima and the great people, amazing people behind the music video and behind this project. Let's go! The trailer. When I first saw this, talagang goosebumps. Sobrang ready na for sleep.
Hindi pa siya masyadong ginagawa dito sa Pilipinas.
Parang hindi nga eh. Kasi if you ever think about this, we grew up watching the fantasy series of GMA, yung mga action movies, yung mga action series ng ABS. Wala eh. Walang panama sa music video ng Mahalima eh. So, for me, it is actually the first time of the Philippines to have come up with a music video like this. Kasi it is actually greater than a movie and a fantasy series. Just to be honest, I'm sorry, but grabe yung creativity ng mga to. At saka, meron din talaga silang budget. Talagang binigyan sila ng budget ng Mahalima. So, talagang yung mga TV network, yung mga movie makers natin, huwag nyong limitahan yung mga creatives ng budget kasi hindi nila nabibigay yung full potential nila sa craft nila kung may limit kayo sa budget. Kasi talagang pinapantayan kasi kung gusto nyo maganda yung output nyo, kailangan may ano talaga, may pera din. Kasi that's the reality. Hindi mura yung mga ganitong mga bagay. All out binigay ng Mahalima, di ba?
This is parang, it's super big.
It's super big.
Nakita ko sila how their brains work, how they create an idea. We really want to send a message to all of the listeners.
It's definitely much bigger.
It's definitely much bigger than any other
Be ready, Ange. This is
fantasy films in the
super
Philippines.
Big. Kumapit ako.
Angelo Jane Santiago,
It's super big.
productions
Kumapit
design
ako.
head. Okay.
Gano'ng kalaki siya ganun. Kaya sabi ko, kaya ba? Kasi this is the first time na
Kaya yan.
ganito kalaki.
Kinaya mo.
Kasi
O,
parang
diba?
Hindi ko rin inaasahan na kaya ko pala. So, yun.
This time, yung set and props namin, mostly ginawa talaga siya from scratch. Yung concept ng dam kasi is, ang hirap maghanap ng naturally ganun na siya. Usually sa music videos namin, pupunta talaga kami sa mga lugar kung saan makukuha namin yung hinahanap namin na vibe or yung dating
So,
talaga ng lugar.
ang daming
Yung
ocular
kuweba,
visits
yung
nito.
mga bahay.
Nung pumunta kami dito para mag-ocular ng space ng
Oh,
studio.
tamo.
Grabe, parang akong nalula talaga ako dun sa laki ng chroma.
So around late November, minessage ako ni Ate IC. Sabi niya,
VFX supervisor. So, he is in charge of the CGI. Wow, grabe.
sabi niya,
So, from the production head, yung nagde-design ng set nila, tas yung VFX. So, it really makes sense that they collaborate together, they work closely together kasi siya yung magpapakita ng kung anong nakikita natin sa finished product eh. So, yung tandem, perfect.
Nico, ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas? So wala pang 1 minute na guess na ako. Tapos after that, dire-diretso na yung brainstorming meetings
Wow.
namin.
On board agad siya.
Ready for preparing to pitch para sa music video.
You want it like windy, like foggy windy?
Doon talaga yung nasa isip ko.
Yeah, okay. I
I
can just copy
Lagay ko
paste.
pa na isa pang scaffold.
Even the trailer. Grabe.
Yung dito yung parang may lightning emerald.
Hindi, ano yun eh. Kasi
Ayan na yung music video.
That's my crowds if ever. Tapos,
Notes natin.
I think,
Oh God, the amount of time just to edit this trailer alone for Simula at Wakas. Taran, taran, taran.
prisoner.
Ay, nakakakilabot, goosebumps. Oh my God! Oh my God! I wonder how the team is really feeling after they finish, after they have seen the output. I would be so proud of myself if I was one of the
Lahat
team.
ng tao na nakapaligid sa'yo na parang doon pa lang sa creative deck. Grabe,
Handwritten
sabi
talaga
ni
siya.
Martina, sabi ko, ay, sinong binabasa ko siya? Parang
Grabe yung details! My gosh! The intricate details, very meticulous talaga. Even the mga props na ginamit nila, grabe.
nagtatell ng story.
Look
Kaya
at
parang
that!
Kilabutan ako kasi sabi ko, shucks, ano to? Parang pagka nabasa mo yung gano'n,
That
gusto
damn
ko
book,
mag-experience,
that
gusto ko
damn
makita
book.
kung kaya talaga na magawa natin.
I-N. 18.
ATIL to?
Oo, so A.
Ang galing!
E-N-E-A.
Caps, ano ang tawag dito? Alam ko, ano to eh. I mean, hindi ako magaling sa history ng ating language. Okay, so pasensya na. Ang tawag nito? Parang hieroglyphics, no? Parang ganyan. Pero ito yung sa atin, sa Pilipinas.
I-J-K.
Ang galing.
Alphabet.
So for this project, mas naging close ko kasi yung 5 due to meeting halos every day with them. I worked kasi with them for the past few years na rin, pero hindi
Si.
ganito ka-dikit sa opinions nila, di ba? Na minsan kasi I'll work with them, pero yung ideas naka-hash out na for me, na ready to go, ready to execute na lang.
You know, the only way to produce a masterpiece like Dam is for the creatives to really understand the artist's vision.
First time kasi ito sa Dam na from the start, from the birth pa lang ng idea, involved na kaming lahat.
Very
Altogether,
inclusive.
lahat ng
Yes.
ideas tinatapon lang during the meeting. Minsan, sobrang tagal na ng meeting, pero bagong ideas pa rin ng bago. Tapos minsan, kapag tapos na yung meeting, palabas na lalapit si Ken, "Oy, Miko, actually, maganda din to."
Grabe the overflowing ideas.
The music video, yung production nito ngayon, it's definitely much
I can't get
bigger.
over with this
Ganun
size.
din sila ka-excited, which is very motivational for us, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Nakita ko sila how
Kasi
they
nakikita
brainstorm,
nilang
how they create
excited.
ideas.
Kasi nakikita nila yung Mahalima, yung dedication ng Mahalima. Kasi yung SB19, sila yung tinitingnan ng mga kawork nila. So, nagli-lead sila by example talaga. So, yung work ethic pa lang, nakikita kasi ng iba. So, talagang mag-effort din yung iba. Na parang kailangan mapantayan nila yung dedication at commitment ng Mahalima. Basa! Go, Te! Go, Te! Basa!
Sobrang ganda kasi ng ideas na binabato ng lahat ng kasama sa prod. So, ayaw kong i-limit sila sa hindi kaya. So for this music video, I forced myself din na mag-aral ng bagong software na mas advanced, mas kaya ng kailangan. Sobrang laki ng risk na tinitake namin.
You are all risk takers. Look at the, oh my God, goosebumps. Ang galing!
So at first, from the idea to sketch,
Grabe!
to asking,
Sketching!
to meet halfway, kung paano ba siya, kung paano
Hoy, nakakakilabot!
Tama pa ba yung height, kung gaano kalaki.
Amazing.
So for me, nung una nag-sketch ako, and then we asked kung hanggang saan yung limit.
Kasi sobrang tagal kasi ng
Si limit.
namin ni Ange specifically. Tapos sobrang, parang ang daming restrictions. So parang nag-resort kami to 10 steps.
10 steps.
Which means na maglaland yung problem sa akin na magiging...
Kung paano niya papahabain.
So,
Yeah.
sa final output, paano siya magmumukhang never-ending.
Yeah.
So, hindi lang sa taas.
It's
we
freezing
extend,
cold.
pati sa baba, underneath the floor,
Yeah.
we extend.
So, parang in between si
Oo,
Ken.
nasa gitna yung build ni Ate Ange. Tapos we decided, kapag kailangan ni Ken maglakad ng matagal,
Ulit.
pag lapit na niya sa 10th step, bababa na lang ulit siya, tapos maglalakad na lang ulit. What happened din before that was, di ba kailangan natin
It's jaw-dropping.
end officially yung
Um.
Tatag era. So, in-incorporate natin yung concept of yung sa concert yung Pagtatag 3. Lalagay natin
I have to
yung
close my
story
mouth.
niya sa MV para lang may period na talaga yung story na yun. Diba? Kasi yung ginawa kong visuals sa Pagtatag finale concert was the tree.
Yeah, the golden tree.
And naisip natin na
Wow, incredible!
siyang visuals for Dam. Para
Oh my gosh!
Tahe.
matahe from what pa lang eh. Diba yung pagtanim ng puno sa pagtatag ng bloom. Tapos dito sa simula at wakas, yung kwento na talagang wakas. Yung ending ng story
Oh!
is
Wow!
bearing of fruit.
Na
So, medyo nag-brainstorm tayo ng matagal doon. Para mabuo yung kwento from the start. Ange and Miko.
Wow! Wow, nakakalula! Grabe!
From practical tree, CGI tree. Na
The CGI is seamless!
touching.
Yes.
Mukhang puno. Mukhang SB.
Ay, this episode is so cool!
Sa pagtatag na tree.
Shims! Yes! Tuwang-tuwa si Pinuno. Satisfied?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ito yung freak talaga. So, hindi kita yung mga nasa...
So every scene talagang nire-review agad ng Mahalima? Every after shoot ng scene, nire-review agad nila.
Kahit sobrang hirap yan, gagawin ko yan. Gagawin ko talaga yung 100% best. Alam yan ng everyone.
Yeah.
Ang kailangan kong patunayan na kaya ko. So, eto na yun na parang sabi ko sana nagustuhan nila. And then,
Kasi
sana
the trust
nagustuhan
of
ng
SB19.
and sana magugustuhan siya ng 18.
Kahit na
Gustong-gusto namin!
in voice, and other than that, matagal na akong VFX artist. Parang palagi akong may kailangan pong patunayan or iaangat ko pa yung last na...
Grabe din talagang potential,
Kaya
no?
Hindi ko talaga gustong sayangin yung opportunities na ganito, na something as grand as this. Kaya talagang in all out, 100%
All out, yes.
20% talaga ako dito.
If you just give.
Talaga napatunayan namin.
Wow!
As early as now, sobrang proud na talaga kami sa ginawa namin.
Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung music video and the song itself.
Amazing!
Kasi pinag-effortan namin yun and we really want to send a message to all of the listeners and we want to inspire people. So sana po ay masuportahan nyo, pakinggan nyo and ma-inspire kayo sa ginawa namin kanta at music video.
Grabe yung kilabot ko! Grabe! Pati yung buhok ng ulo ko, alam mo yung tumatayo. Alam mo yung pati yung buhok ng ulo ko parang lumalamig. Kasi sobrang kilabot. Sheesh! Grabe! Grabe! Grabe talaga! I'm out of words! I'm out of words! How? Like, no, it's not how. Like, shucks. Like, if we really give our creatives in the Philippines the right amount of attention and budget. Because the potential is there eh. You've seen it. Just have to support them. Just give them the courage to just like push their limits as well. Kasi ganun yung SB19. So hindi nila nilimitahan talaga yung mga creatives nila. Just do your utmost best para tulungan kami because we wanna create something na hindi pa nagagawa sa Pilipinas. And this is just freaking mind-blowing. I'm out of words. Talaga, this is something that every movie maker and every TV series maker in the Philippines should be doing. Kasi hindi dapat na nasasanay lang tayo sa parang, ano ba yan? Alam mo yung cringe, but ito, grabe. You could see the budget on this one. Kasi kung gusto mo talaga ng magandang output, kailangan talaga may pera. Kasi sobrang nakikita mo yung talent talaga ng mga creatives ng Pilipino eh. Grabe! Wow! Grabe! Nakaka-goosebumps! I hope ganito din yung nakikita natin sa mga fantasy series natin at saka sa mga movies natin, di ba? Ay, mga kaps! Yung energy ko habang nanonood at saka yung bibig ko talagang jaw drop talaga ako. Grabe, kaps! Di ba? I hope you understand how I feel. Kasi, wala na. Basta, yun na yung nararamdaman ko. And this is it for my reaction video. Talagang reaction to, ang OA, pero hindi OA. Talagang ganun dapat yung reaction mo. Talaga, mapapa-wow ka talaga. Grabe. I'll see you guys again next time, mga caps. God bless, take care. Buyers!